This is 45 kg.
La prochaine route, on prendra un peu plus. Ouais.
Attends, je prends. Ouais.
On prendra...
5 more 100. 5 more 100. 5 more 100 to go. Abida.
Farine de merde.
C'est pour nettoyer ça.
7, 8, 200 kilos. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. No.
Matei.
No. Matei, it's inside. Here, it's a departure, arrival, okay?
No. Not Jamaican. It's a for. Yeah.
Okay, now I'm missing. Okay. Don't get wrong about this. Tengo la análisis de la certificación.
This morning, 8.5 tons of food rations has been transported by the French airplane to Matei for the people in Taveuni. There will be 2 trips, and the people on the ground are now at the airport in Waiqele, as well as the receiving end, where DU Taveuni has mobilized his men to go and receive the rations there to be distributed to the affected population of Taveuni. So 8.5 tons going to Taveuni today. That's for the 5 evacuation centers in Taveuni. As you know, people who don't have houses totally destroyed, partly all built in evacuation centers, 5 altogether, on strategic locations on the island, and the rations that have been taken today, especially for those in the evacuation centers. In terms of some medical supplies, as well as tablets for water purification, already taken across yesterday.